Google Colab. Run Python in your browser with zero installation. Everything runs on Google's cloud servers, so your computer never breaks a sweat. You even get a free GPU when you need one. Let's start.
Colab is a hosted Jupyter Notebook service from Google. You write code in the browser, and the cloud executes it for you. Notebooks save automatically to your Google Drive, and you can share them just like a document.
Before you start, you only need 3 things: a Google account, which you already have, a modern browser like Chrome, Firefox, or Safari, and a stable internet connection. Any computer works, Windows or Mac, even Apple Silicon.
Open your browser and go to colab.research.google.com. The page loads instantly. No downloads, no installers, nothing to configure. Just a friendly sign-in button waiting at the top right.
Click Sign In and choose your existing Google account. One click and you are inside. No new sign-up, no verification codes.
The Open Notebook dialog appears. It offers 5 tabs: Examples, Recent, Google Drive, GitHub, and Upload. Click the blue New Notebook button in the bottom left. A fresh notebook opens with 1 empty code cell.
This is the editor. Menus on top, the toolbar below, and cells in the middle. Add cells with plus code or plus text for notes. Your runtime status and memory live at the bottom. Click the title and type a name for your notebook. Press Enter. Colab saves it to your Google Drive in the Colab Notebooks folder.
Now click Connect in the top right. The button spins while a cloud virtual machine boots up. Then it turns green, and the status bar shows your RAM and disk.
Type print, open parentheses, quote, hello world, quote, close parentheses. Press Shift Enter. The cell runs on the cloud, and your first output appears with counter 1.
Check the environment with !Python ---- version. Colab runs Python 3.12 with popular libraries like NumPy and Pandas already installed. Want a free GPU? Open the Runtime menu and choose Change Runtime Type. Pick T4 GPU and click Save. Confirm the warning and your session restarts with GPU power.
2 common hiccups. A GPU usage limit usually resets within a day, so wait and retry. A crash session just needs a reconnect click. And always save your work to Drive.
That is it. Open Colab, create a notebook, connect, and run your first code. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and comment below. See you in the next one.